Camilla, hi. Camilla, hello. You pouting? Are you pouting? Hi, Camilla. Do you want to go shopping with Walgreens with me? Hi, baby. Hello, friends, running kimono, and I went and did a quick little deal today over at Walgreens, and it went really well for me. This, believe it or not, was a $4 moneymaker, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then just some odds and ends that I was talking about that are solid deals this week over at Walgreens. And then over at Walmart, I have been shopping there on and off, just buying clearance summer merch. I'm gonna talk about some price points. We have an opportunity to get a really cheap Keurig and then some free money-making coffee we'll talk about. The weather report for you guys, kind of a rainy one over here today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. So the first little deal that we're gonna talk about, I did 2 little transactions hoping that a paper booster would pop out of the Catalina machine, and it did not happen for me, but I'm not gonna complain. First thing I wanna talk about is the Viva, and I wanna put this on your radar because something kind of weird happened at the store. This is not ringing up for $4.99. It's ringing up for $6.99. So the cashier had to modify it, and they looked at the ad and they said, yeah, that should be part of it. But I don't know if it's not in the system or what the story is, but they modified it for $4.99. We have this dollar IVC coupon found on page 6. You can load it digitally or get the cashier to scan it. And then 2 buckos came off, and I just used a bit of Walgreens cash to pay it down. So specifically how I did this deal, guys, $4.99 for the 2. And then I also grabbed this little Swiffer duster kit for $3.99. So for the 3 items, that is $13.97. $2 came off because of Mr. IVC, and then I had a digital 2 off for the Swiffer. So the new subtotal is $9.97. Here in Michigan, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down a little bit of your tax. So that's precisely what I did, and I just paid the balance of the tax. I used $10 of Walgreens cash. I think it's a super smart flip for Swiffer and the Viva. They also had on the promotion for $3.99, this and the very fancy Unstoppable fabric spray by Febreze. Unfortunately, my store didn't have any, so I'm gonna have to look at other stores for that, but I was very happy to get this little guy. Next little deal that I did was I grabbed one of these Snuggle dryer sheets, and this guy this week is $2.99. We have a $1 digital coupon, so the new subtotal is $1.99. I used $2 in Walgreens cash and just paid the balance of the tax and laughed all the way to the bank and back. So I had a goofy little booster of spend 25, get back 6. So this was the basket that I came up with. 2 of the Tresemme for $10. There was supposed to be a 4 off of 2 that was showing up this morning, but I only had a 2 off of 2, so I just rolled with that. And then 2 of these Head & Shoulders that are 2 for $12, and we have a 3 off of 2 for that. The 2 Dove men's deodorant, these are 2 for $11. We don't have any coupons for that, but I used a $6 and a $5 register reward. And IBOTTA has $2 back for each, and then Fetch Rewards app also has $2 back when you buy 2. So that makes it really amazing. So for this overall basket, guys, for all the shampoo and the deodorants, it's a total of $33. Now I have made the cap of spending $25. Cashier to scan these 2 first, and then the 6 and the 5 attached to these 2 items. I had a 2 off of 2 for the Tresemme, and then a 3 off of 2 for this guy. Maybe that 4 off of 2 will show up later today. It's in the ad, it should be there. After all the coupons, the new total is $17 because I'm using a spend booster, and the shampoo deal is to spend 20 and get back 5. I had to pay with my debit card for that. And the promotion in the store for this was to buy 2 and get back $4. So anyhow, guys, paid that 17 out of pocket back. So I paid 17 out of pocket after everything's said and done with my debit card. And then I got back $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend 25, $4 for buying 2 of the Doves, $5 for the shampoo deal. And then also I got back $2 from the Fetch Rewards app for this. And then $4 back from IBOTTA. So it made this little haul after everything is said and done free, plus a $4 money maker. Now I'm sure there's going to be more little Walgreens deals as the week progresses. Very happy with today. If you are going to be doing the Viva, just note I had an issue where it wasn't ringing up properly. You might have to, you know, ask the cashier for some assistance if they can help you out. And the original price for this is $6.99, the very fancy Viva. Okay, so over at Walmart, this little coffee by Starbucks, and it's an instant coffee, which kind of perplexed me because I'm like, what? This guy is exactly $2 on clearance, so that is always a your mileage may vary clearance between store 1 and store 2. IBOTTA has $2.50 back, so it makes it free plus a 50-cent money maker, and you can do that up to 3 times. So it's just this little can of coffee, and it doesn't expire until Christmas of next year, so I'm okay with that. I'm not sure if you're anything like me, if you're thinking about Christmas gifts already, and we're just in October, but I'm already right there. This little Keurig was $54.97. Let's pay attention to the packaging. It's called the K Express Essential. So $54 for a Keurig is a very good price any day of the week. Has 3,250 points back when you buy this specific model, which is basically $13. How did I get that math? 250 points with the Shopkick app is $1. So 3,250 Shopkick points is 13 bucks. So what I did, guys, $54.97, not including the tax. I cashed out a $50 IBOTTA gift card. At self-checkout, I just scanned that, paid the $4.97 plus tax, and then made that submission to the Shopkick app for 13 bucks. So after everything is said and done, if you take the $54.97, subtract 13, it's like you're paying $41.97 for this, or like $42 for a Keurig. I think that's a really nice Christmas gift for anyone. I bought this specifically for a Secret Santa. My husband has a really large family, and you know, I think this will make a really cool Secret Santa gift, and I think somebody's really going to appreciate it. Who wouldn't love a Keurig and a Secret Santa? The last thing I want to talk about is summer clearance. This one store where things were not moving with the summer clearance, it finally hit it, including these little melamine bowls. It's like a cereal bowl by Better Home and Gardens. Here is the UPC. These were 75 cents each. I think the original price point was like $3. I got this cool little tray by Mainstay, which is a Walmart brand, for $1. Here's the UPC if you want to check it out on Brickseek. I think it's a really good thing. I'm on a special keto diet, so if we're going anywhere for like Thanksgiving or Christmas, I want to bring a tray of food. I don't expect the host to have like, you know, $50 of meats that I can only eat. I'll bring my own tray. I can put ice on the bottom, and for $1, very good deal. And the original price point was $6. The pitcher by Rubbermaid I think is super sturdy and super cute, and it was $1. The original price point was $3, and there wasn't very many of these left. And here's the UPC if you want to look that up on BrickSeek as well. But $1 for this, I thought I could make like unsweetened sweet tea or something like that at home, because I'm really trying to not drink any sort of soda or pop, even the diet stuff. So I got one of those. Now this is a little something I got from my mom. It's just a little ice bucket, and I bought her an ice machine last summer. So here is the UPC, or here is the price point. It was exactly $1. I think the original price point was 10. And here's the UPC. And here is the UPC for the ice bucket. Cute little thing. I thought she'd really like to have that, you know, to put her ice in. And then the last find, I got 3 of these. They are just like metal totes. I thought with Christmas around, bigger gifts that I'm giving. I have a friend that I always spoil her at Christmas time because her birthday is on Christmas, which really sucks. So I always like fill up a big tote or something with stuff. So I got one for my mother-in-law, and then for her, and then we have another family friend that we make a nice basket for, and it's going out of focus. So this original price point was $9 for one of these. And I thought with Christmas, you know, you just put a bit of like a little bow or something like that. You can really dress it up. And it is by Better Homes, and this was $2. And here's the UPC if you want to look at this for brickseek.com, if you want to look it up on that website. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!